This video is a guide for assembling the Bowpeller centrifugal pump with hydraulic motor. With new sealed bearings and a suitable press, press the bearings onto the pump shaft. Insert the shaft and bearing assembly into the bearing housing and press into place. Insert a new snap ring into the bearing frame and secure it in the groove. Press a new lip seal into the pump housing. Be sure to release air that is trapped under the seal without marring the shaft. Insert the bearing assembly into the back of the pump adapter and secure with stainless steel bolts. Align the motor shaft key to the pump shaft and place the motor onto the bearing assembly flange. The motor can be rotated 90 degrees incrementally. Secure with stainless steel screws. Place the seal spring assembly onto the pump shaft and secure the set screws. With a new O-ring in the bore of the carbon ring, align the 3 slots on the outside of the carbon ring with the 3 tabs of the seal spring assembly and slide onto the stub shaft. Lubricate the seal seat gasket with silicone spray and press into the bore of the back plate until seated. Align the back plate screws with the grooves on the inside of the adapter bracket. Press down against the seal spring and rotate clockwise. Place a new O-ring onto the backplate groove. Place a new O-ring onto the shaft groove. Apply anti-seize to the shaft threads and rotate the impeller onto the shaft. The direction is clockwise. The backplate will be fully seated when the casing is added. Insert a number 2 screwdriver into the shaft hole to fully seat the impeller. Attach the adapter cover and 1/4-20 screw. Tighten the screw with a 7/16 wrench. Place the pump casing over the impeller and secure with a casing clamp. Your Bowpeller is now ready for installation. Please refer to the instruction manual for piping hints and installation guidelines. Thank you for using Bowpeller centrifugal pumps.